Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about modern entryway design ideas. The entryway of your home is like a first impression. It sets the tone for what is inside. It is the first thing you and your guests see when you walk in, so making it welcoming is key. Modern design elements play a big role here. There is all about slick lines, clever storage, and making the most of the space you have, whether it is stylish console table and chic benches or some eye-catching lighting. These elements can totally transform your entryway from a simple passage to a warm, inviting space. So don't underestimate the power of a wall design entry. It is the perfect opportunity to make a statement about your home and your style. Minimalistic design is all about keeping things simple and clean. Imagine a room with very few things in it, and those things are there because they are really important. So for an entryway, we have suggest using a sleek console table. It is like a narrow table you can put near the door. Then instead of filling it up with lots of little decoration, just pick one special thing to put on it. Maybe a cool sculpture or a beautiful vases. The key is not to overcrowd the space. Keep it pretty by getting rid of anything you don't really need there. This way, when people comes in, they feel relaxed and focused, not overwhelmed by stuff. To make your entryway feel more natural and welcoming, think about bringing the outdoors inside. You can do this by adding things like a wooden bench or shelf. Then you can decorate these with potted plants or even create a mini garden through grow garden that grow upward along the wall, called a vertical garden. When you have natural elements like plants in your entryway, it can make the space feel calm and peaceful. It is like bringing a piece of nature into your home. Plus, having greenery around can help connect the inside of your house with the beauty of the outdoors. So, not only does it look nice, but it can also make you feel happier and more relaxed when you come home. The industrial design trend is all about using materials that look raw and unfinished like metal and wood. It gives a rugged and urban vibe to your space. Think about those cool lifts you see in movies with exposed pipes and brick walls. That is industrial style. Now imagine adding some metal accent to your entryway, like a mirror with a steel frame or a storage unit made of wire mesh. These elements bring that industrial feel right into your home. But here is the trick: to balance out the thoughtness of metals, you can soften things up. Add polished rugs or comfy seating with soft fabrics. It is like mixing hard and soft texture to create a perfectly cozy space with an edgy twist. Lighting play a big role in making your entryway feel welcoming and cozy. Imagine walking into a room bathed in warm light. It instantly makes you feel relaxed and comfortable. That way, it is important to choose the right lighting for your entry space. Installing a standout pendant lights or a row of wall sconces can really catch the eye and make your entry area look stylish. But lighting is not just about looks, it also affects the mood of the space. during the evening when natural light fade. Your chosen fixture can create a cozy atmosphere perfect for underwinning after a long day. So when designing your entryway, don't underestimate the power of lighting to set the tone and make your guests feel right at home. And there you have it, 5 modern entryway design ideas that are sure to inspire your next renovation or makeover projects. There is something here for every style and budgets. Thanks for turning in, and be sure to subscribe for more design tips and inspiration.